Good morning, everyone. I'm Constance. I'm a plumbing expert since 2012 at Chamberlain Lakes. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your bottom inlet. The reason why you have to change the inlet is because if your cistern doesn't fill water, you will need a bottom inlet that you will find at any of our 9 Chamberlain stores. Before you remove the old one, there's a nut at the bottom of the inlet. Then now I'm going to remove that nut that is at the bottom of the cistern and take the old one out and put it aside. Then we're going to put the new one. Before you put the new one, just unlock it because it's locked like this and count 9. There's a straps that is more than 14 here. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The reason I'm doing this because our system is not the same size and the same length. Then after that, just lock it and take the nuts out and install the new one. And don't forget to put this nuts at the back of the cistern to hold this bottom inlet. When you finished, don't forget to switch on your water to test if your inlet is working. But I'm 100% sure that is working because we're selling the good quality inlet in Chamberlain. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, just visit any of our 9 Chamberlain stores. Chamberlain, famous for hardware since 1903.